What if we told you that crafting an entire wood-fired meal from start to finish was as easy as the flip of a switch? And what if that incredible food was all cooked on a grill backed by 30 years of quality craftsmanship? It's the original wood pellet grill that ignited a new revolution in outdoor cooking. And thanks to new technology-driven innovations, Traeger is taking that revolution to new heights. Once you experience Traeger's unbeatable wood-fired taste and discover how easy it is to use, you'll see why people all over the globe are choosing to stop grilling and start Traegering. It all starts with wood. 100% all-natural hardwood from our sawmill to your grill means real wood for real flavor. From bold hickory and mesquite to sweet apple and pecan, you can customize your cooking like never before. Traeger unlocks the versatility to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue your food to juicy perfection every single time. And they're as easy to use as an oven. A digital controller gives you precise temperature control whether you're cooking low and slow at 160 degrees or hot and fast up to 500 degrees. Anything you can cook in your oven, you can cook on a Traeger. And babysitting your grill, well, that's a thing of the past. Just set it, forget it, and spend less time cooking and more time with family and friends. Wood-fired cooking made easy. Load your flavor-packed hardwood pellets into the hopper. Set your desired temperature. Hit the ignition and you're Traegering. Our powerful auger system carries pellets to the fire pot, where the hot rod ignites the Traeger's flavor inferno. The variable speed fan circulates the heat and smoke, just like a convection oven, guaranteeing consistent temperatures every time. Select grills make it even easier thanks to Wi-Fi technology that gives you direct grill access right from your smartphone to monitor and adjust cook cycles and temperatures, all through the Traeger Wi-Fi app. The app also has hundreds of handcrafted recipes to try and an integrated grill guide that walks you through the cook step by step. Next time you cook out, let us bring the flavor. Traeger, bringing people together to create a more flavorful world.